Hi there! Today we are going to learn how to decorate cupcakes.
Lay out the cupcake container's production style. Fill each container with 6 white cupcakes and fill the remaining half with 6 chocolate cupcakes. Using a pastry bag with a large star tip, start on the outside edge of the cupcake and pipe in a circular motion, 1½ rosettes. Pipe all of the chocolate cupcakes first with Brill chocolate icing. Pour sprinkles into your cupped hand. Now sprinkle each chocolate cupcake. Sprinkling the icing right away is important, so they will stick before the icing crusts. Repeat this entire process with the white cupcakes using Brill white icing. Once completed, now close each cupcake container. Make sure to use a scale periodically to check that the product is the correct weight. Moving on to the colored party cupcakes, set up your cupcakes in production style. Starting with the back row, pipe a dollop of colored icing, one color at a time. Sprinkle them immediately after. Repeat this entire process on the second and third row with a different color of icing. Make sure to sprinkle between each color of icing. Now, place a pick onto each cupcake. Once completed, now close each cupcake container. Make sure to use a scale periodically to check that the product is the correct weight. Last, we will be decorating the classic assorted buttercream cupcakes. Fill each cupcake container with 2 rows of chocolate cupcakes, separated by a row of red velvet. Starting with the back row, use a bag filled with Brill German chocolate icing to pipe a dollop onto each cupcake. After they are all iced, go back and pat them down. On the red velvet cupcakes, pipe Brill cream cheese icing using a large star tip. Starting on the outside edge of the cupcake, pipe in a circular motion 1½ rosettes. On the final row of cupcakes, pipe Brill double Dutch fudge icing with a large star tip. Pipe in a circular motion 1½ rosettes. Immediately top the Brill double Dutch fudge icing with chocolate curls. Using a number 22 tip, pipe a small Brill chocolate buttercream rosette onto each German chocolate cupcake and top them all with a maraschino cherry. Now, sprinkle red velvet crumbs onto the Brill cream cheese icing. Once completed, now close each cupcake container. Make sure to use a scale periodically to check that the product is the correct weight. Let's review. Make sure to always use production-style techniques. When piping with Brill buttercream icing, make sure to top the cupcakes immediately. It is not necessary to let the cupcakes thaw before decorating.